Let's create an Easter flower arrangement in a basket. The list of necessary materials and flowers are given in the description. Soak the flower foam, cut it to the shape of the basket. Wrap the foam with cellophane and secure it with tape. Fill the bottom of the basket with natural fiber. Secure the foam in the basket with tape to keep it from falling out. Add fiber around the edge of the basket so it peeks out. Place the longest branches of greenery on either side of the basket. Place a hydrangea flower on the side. Fill in the remaining greenery around the circumference of the basket. Now tulips. Place the tulips on one side at different heights. Place the hellebores on the opposite side. Small stems of hellebores fill in the empty spaces to hide the foam. Next step, place the ranunculus in the center and on the opposite side of the tulips. Attach the plastic axe to the wire with the glue gun and arrange in the composition as you wish. Done. Enjoy the result.